most important acupressure points for back pain relief. Do you experience the ill effects of fits and successive spinal pains in the wake of sitting in the workplace for a considerable length of time and hours, or doing physical work that puts a strain on your back? You are not the only one. Back agony is a typical medical issue around the world. Notwithstanding customary exercise-based recuperation, pressure point massage can give much help from the torment. It's a great alternative for the individuals who need a characteristic treatment that doesn't include painkillers in their symptoms. Pressure point massage is a delicate non-invasive type of treatment that oversees torment through applying weight on certain nerve focuses in the body. It includes the utilization of thumbs, fingers and elbows to apply reliable and the appropriate measure of weight on these focuses. Over that, you'll get the numerous different advantages of pressure point massage. It will enable you to unwind, rest better, eat better and feel better by and large. Pressure point massage should be possible at home, in the event that you know where to apply weight. You can likewise have it done by an expert prepared in pressure point massage. Number 1. Lower back points, Sea of Vitality. A few pressure point massage focuses situated on your lower back can be utilized to treat back issues like a throbbing lower back or sciatica torment. These lower back focuses are likewise called the Sea of Vitality. Begin by delicately pushing down on B23 and B47 on the two sides of your back for up to 1 minute on end. Take full breaths while applying weight and gradually increment weight as you breathe out. Quit expanding weight once you have achieved your agony edge. Keep applying enduring weight for 1 minute. Rehash as required until the point when your back torment dies down. Then again, you can utilize the upper side of your hands to knead this zone a few times each day for alleviation from bring down back agony. Alert! This pressure point massage strategy is not for you in the event that you have a frail back. Continuously counsel your specialist before applying weight on your lower back focuses. Number 2. Stomach point, Sea of Energy. The stomach point or CV6, otherwise called the Sea of Energy point, is particularly valuable for treating spinal pains. This point is situated at a separation of 2 fingers or 1/2 creeps underneath your navel. Applying firm and enduring weight on this point will give both short and long-haul help from bring down back issues and torment by fortifying the muscles in the lower some portion of your body between your midriff and hips. On your correct hand, keep your file, center and ring fingers together. Place these 3 fingers just beneath your navel. The firm point you feel with your ring finger is the CV6 point. Apply enduring weight on this point with your fingertips for up to 1 minute. Rehash 2 or 3 times at 10-minute interims to treat your spinal pain. Alert! Elderly individuals and pregnant ladies are encouraged to be wary while utilizing this method. In the event that you have frail stomach muscles or are experiencing any gastric diseases, apply weight with your palm rather than your fingertips. Number 3. Hand point. Different pressure point massage focuses on the palm and hand can be fortified to lessen back torment and unwind the solid muscles in your lower and upper back. You should rest on your back for this pressure point massage system to work. Grasp your hand and place your pointer and thumb together. The L4 hand point is situated on the territory that ascends when you bring your thumb and forefinger together. Utilizing your other hand, push down with your thumb and forefinger on the most noteworthy purpose of this raised range. Apply weight for 5 to 10 seconds. At that point let go. Rehash 2 or 3 times for alleviation from back agony. Doing this consistently will lessen pressure and firmness in your back muscles. Number 4. Hip bone points, womb and vitals. As you can figure from their name, these focuses are situated close to your hip bones. These focuses are additionally called the womb and vitals. They lie precisely halfway between the highest point of your hip bones and the base of your bottom. Their anatomical names are B48 and GB30 on both the privileged and left parts of your body. Squeezing tenderly on these focuses can give help from bring down back agony, hip torment and pelvic anxiety. Find the B48 and GB30 focuses and squeeze them internal, at the focal point of your pelvis. Keep the weight on them immovably for around 5 minutes. At that point, discharge progressively. Number 5. Knee points, commanding middle. The knee back focuses are situated on the posterior of both your knees and can be utilized to treat knee and back agony. These focuses are additionally called the commanding middle. There are 2 points, B53 and B54, located on each leg. Point B54 is located at the exact center of the crease of your knee joint. Point B53 is located on the outer side in the same line, i.e., the point where the crease ends, when your knees are bent. Applying firm weight on these focuses diminishes back agony, solidness and soreness of the back muscles, and gives alleviation from both back and knee joint pain. Apply consistent weight on the B53 and B54 focuses for 30 seconds at an extent, all the while on the 2 legs. You may need to do this for 10 to 15 minutes with customary breaks in the center for help from back agony. Number 6. Foot point. The foot point, otherwise called the LIV-3, Tai Chong or Great Rushing Point, is utilized for the treatment of back agony and pressure point massage treatment. The LIV-3 point is situated between the huge toe and second toe, around 3 crawls from the edge. Located joint halfway between the toes, where the 2 bones meet. Apply delicate weight on the range for 30 seconds, at that point discharge. Substitute between the 2 feet, rehashing it 3 or 4 times in a session. Apply weight on this guide every day for 7 days to treat your spinal pain. Number 7. Elbow point, cubit marsh. The elbow point LIV-5, additionally called cubit marsh, is situated amidst your elbow wrinkle. It is likewise useful for alleviating perpetual lower back agony. Utilize your correct thumb to find the LIV-5 point to your left side elbow wrinkle, and apply firm and consistent weight on the point for 30 seconds. Keep up consistent weight, and utilize your thumb to push this point toward the external side of the wrinkle for 30 seconds. Rehash the procedure on your correct elbow, utilizing your left thumb.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.